Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Samsung Jet 95 with the Dyson v15 regards the specs and what are the main differences. So when we're gonna look here on the weight, the Samsung Jet 95 is better, then the run time is the same, the charge time is better for Samsung Jet 95, then you can have the suction power is better for Dyson by 30, then you can have dustbin volume is better for Samsung Jet by a lot here. Then you can have the battery type is a tie, filtration is a tie, motor is going to be the better for Dyson. Then cleaning heads also Dyson. The accessories is a tie, LCD screen tie. Color options depends on your price is going to be a little bit like really depends where you buy it. If you know off price, the special features you can have like mob attachment, washable dustbin. Here you're gonna have piezo cylinder scientific proof of clean. At the noise level, I don't have it like classified, but here are the just main differences. I just wanted to share with you like a really quick and effective video that yes, the weight is better for the Jet 95. The charge time is also better. The suction power is better for Dyson v15, and dustbin volume is also better for Samsung Jet 95. And I just hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value. And the motor and cleaning heads are better for Dyson. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.